Hey guys, I thought I'd do a short video giving you an update on the seat, how I'm going with the tail light. I've given it a quick spray of black just so I can see it better when I'm mocking it up against the bike, and also to do the final finish sanding to get that perfectly right. The black will help with that. I've trimmed it up at the back here, a slight curve up towards the back, narrowed it at the back. I've cut 3 slots in here for the tail lights. I've made this mounting block. It was like that. I trimmed it down. What I did is I made a mould out of the foam, stuffed it with fiberglass, poured in epoxy, let it set, sanded it all up, and I set it in there and I've epoxied it in. It's rock solid. The tail lights I bought are some cheap Chinese tail lights. Are quite good actually. They're very bright. They're actually E-marked. I've gang mounted them on this polycarbonate sheet backing plate. They're just screwed in. This guy goes in here like that. 4 screws to hold that in place, and that's what it looks like. I think that looks quite good. There's a couple of ways to wire this up. I'll show you 2 options I'm looking at. So this is how you'd wire up the tail lights conventionally. This is with the tail light on, and this would be when the brake light comes on. Now, that doesn't seem like a big difference to me. I'm not all that impressed with the difference there. So that's one option. Another way of wiring it will be like this. So the other option for wiring this is to just wire 2 up as a tail light and 1 as a brake light. So that would be the tail light, and when you put the brakes on, the other one would come on. I think that's actually clearer that you're putting the brake on, doing it that way, so I might go for that. Just to show you what this looks like in a darker room. They are really bright. Alright, and while I'm at it, here's a mock-up of the bike with the seat in place. I've got the back of the tank lifted up slightly. I've got the shocks inclined forward. I'll have to get longer shocks to actually do that, but I think I'm on the right track here. What do you guys think?